What is up, print squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be printing a pocket logo design onto some polo shirts. So if you guys want to see how everything turns out, just stay tuned.
Chuki Beats.
Alright, these are the shirts right here. Just some regular collared shirts. The brand is Faded Glory. So I'm going to be using my logo today. If you're interested in purchasing one of these for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. I'm also going to be using the Teflon pillow because the buttons are kind of raised. I'll leave a link down below in the description box for that also. All of these shirts are pretty much the same, so to shorten the video, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right now. But thank you for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I post videos like this each week. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.